How to fix Amazon mobile app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update your app. So open your Play Store or App Store and then search for the app Amazon Music. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. After you update the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, you have to clear the cache of the app. So long press on the Amazon app, click on the option of app info. Now click on the option clear all data, click on OK. Likewise, click on the option of force stop, and now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you have to do is uninstall this app. So click on this option of uninstall given at the bottom middle. After you uninstall the app, open your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app Amazon. After app appears, install it. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Amazon Music mobile app not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.